Indonesia. Hi everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore the wonderful country of Indonesia. Are you ready to learn some fun facts and discover the best places to visit? Great! Let's get started. Location: Indonesia is located in Southeast Asia and is made up of more than 17,000 islands. Wow, that's a lot. The largest and most famous islands are Java, Sumatra, Borneo, and Bali. Indonesia is between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, which makes it a perfect place for beautiful beaches and amazing marine life. Population: Indonesia has a population of around 273 million people, the fourth most populated country. The people of Indonesia are known as Indonesians, and they speak a language called Bahasa Indonesia. But don't worry, many people also speak English, so it's easy to communicate when you visit. Interesting information. Indonesia is a very diverse country with over 300 different ethnic groups and more than 700 languages spoken. That's incredible. The country is famous for its wildlife, including orangutans, Komodo dragons, and the world's largest flower, the Rafflesia. Indonesia has a rich culture, with beautiful art, music, and dance. You'll never be bored in this amazing country. Food: Indonesian cuisine is full of flavor, and you'll find a variety of dishes with rice, noodles, and lots of spices. Some popular dishes include nasi goreng, which is fried rice, and satay, which are grilled skewers of meat served with peanut sauce. Make sure to try the local street food when you visit. Best places to visit: Bali, known as the Island of the Gods, Bali is famous for its beautiful beaches, lush rice terraces, and vibrant culture. Don't forget to visit the many temples and watch a traditional Balinese dance performance. Komodo National Park. This park is home to the famous Komodo dragons, the largest lizards on Earth. You can also enjoy snorkeling and diving in the crystal clear waters, where you might see manta rays and colorful coral reefs. Raja Ampat. This group of islands is a paradise for divers and snorkelers, with over 1,500 species of fish and hundreds of types of coral. The stunning scenery and crystal clear waters make Raja Ampat a must-visit destination. Ubud, located in Bali, Ubud is famous for its lush green landscapes, and the sacred monkey forest. You can also take a stroll through the Tigalalong Rice Terrace and explore the many art galleries and museums. That's all for today, folks. We hope you enjoyed learning about Indonesia and are excited to visit this beautiful country. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment with your favorite fact about Indonesia. See you next time.